Let us start with healthy living habits, but at home now. So we want to look at healthy living habits at home. There are various healthy living habits which are practiced at home, schools, and society. These habits keep people physically and mentally strong. So if you want to be physically strong, there are certain healthy living habits you have to exercise. Pamunotumwa pepe tsvaira diridza mugadheni endai munoita chakati nechakati. The aim is to keep you physically active so that you can be physically and mentally strong. Pari kunzi mentally strong apa pari kutiudza kuti kuita ma-exercises nekushanda pamba kwete kungogara tichitamba magame zvinotokonzeresa kuti neuropi njere dzedu dzichangamuke kuitira kuti patinozoita zvemabhuku tinomaita zvakanaka. So it's not an excuse kuti nanditi zvemasports ndongoita zvemabhuku chete, nekuti kuita zvemasports kunozobatsira njere dzako kana wakuda kudzishandisa kumabhuku. So it's important to note that healthy living habits what do they do? Keep people physically, but kwete kungoti physically chete tunongoita chindimba physically and mentally strong. That's a very important additive. Mentally strong. Let's go to healthy living habits at home. What are these healthy living habits at home? Say this picture. This boy cleaning, and this is a broom or a mop, cleaning this house, this room. This girl pushing a wheelbarrow, and it seems as if she's doing gardening, and this boy exercising, running. This girl washing the car. These are living habits at home. But what is most important about this? Can you see that anyone can do anything? Mukomana ari kumopa. Saka kuna basa revakomana kozoita basa revasikana. Basa ibasa. Munhu wese anofanira kugona kuita basa pamba. Munhu wese ngagone kubika. Munhu wese ngagone kusuka. Munhu wese ngagone kutsvaira. Munhu wese ngagone kuderedza garden. Munhu wese ngagone kushanda mugarden. Munhu wese ngagone zvinhu zvese pamba. So we see this boy mopping. Some may say this is a girl's job, a job for girls. No, it's for everyone. The girl gardening, pushing the wheelbarrow. You might say, oh, boys should be doing gardening. No, everyone should be doing gardening. Running is for everyone. Washing the car at home is for everyone. That is important to learn. Maybe it will help us bridge the gap between men and women. That being said, let's look at these living habits. The first living habit at home is cleanliness. Have you ever heard the wise saying, cleanliness is next to godliness? It's a saying which is used oftenly. So washing hands with soap, this little girl, she's washing her hands with soap. Wash your hands regularly with the soap and water, especially before eating and after using the toilet. So the first thing is washing hands regularly. With soap and running water. And we say clean running water. Then when should we do that? Especially, we do it all the time, but especially after and before eating and using the toilet. Saka tikashandisa toilet togeza maoko edu nesipo nemvura yakachena. Tisati tadya, tapedza kudya togeza maoko edu nesipo nemvura yakachena zvakare. So cleanliness is the first living habit, healthy living habit we should have. Kugeza maoko kufanirwa kuitwa pese pese, zvikuru sei tiri kumba. Secondly, let's talk about hygiene. What do we mean by hygiene? Brush your teeth at least twice a day to prevent tooth decay and bad breath. So we showed you tartar and plaque, which is a result of not brushing your teeth regularly. You understand? Saka you should brush your teeth regularly, at least twice a day. So, as part of hygiene, brush your teeth regularly, at least twice a day. This is very important. Brush your teeth at least twice a day to prevent tooth decay and bad breath. Bad breath kuva nemweya usina kunaka unokuchibuda mukanwa mako. Take regular baths or showers to keep your body clean and fresh. Bath your body at least once every day. Every single day. Okay, so these are hygiene practices at home. We also have nutrition, chikafu, but achingodyiwe. So what should we learn about nutrition? This boy, eating healthy. You know this boy? He is eating an apple, which is healthy food. So nutrition, firstly, eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet should be a diet which includes all the major or main nutrients required by your body. It should have water, it should have vitamins, it should have proteins, it should have carbohydrates, and also minerals. So salt, fruits, starch like rice and sadza, protein, which is usually meat, or you can get it from your beans, your eggs, and vitamins are from the fruits. So you have to eat a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. So a balanced diet should include all the nutrients which are carbohydrates. Saka you have to know kuti nutrients aya tinomawana muchikafu chipi. So carbohydrates ndo anotipa carbohydrates tinomawana from starchy foods like sadza, rice, potatoes. So it has to include which are carbohydrates, proteins, nyama, ne beans, ne masai, vitamins, fruits, nekubuda panze, tichidziya mshana. Actually, that's true. And what else? Water and minerals like iodine yatinowana from salt. We get minerals from our foods like iron and stuff, which are the minerals required by our bodies for functionality. Drink plenty of clean water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Medical practitioners, my nurse, my doctor, my teacher, they advise that you should drink at least 1 liter per day. So I can drink at least 1 liter pazuva, 2 liters to be precise. So that's very important. Physical activity, pamba chaipo, you should be physically active. Saka physical activities, very important kuita pamba physical activities. Pamba pasi pekungogara tichitamba FIFA kana kuti tichiterera music every day. Like gardening is a physical activity. This boy and his father, they are gardening. It's a physical activity. Help with household chores that require physical activity, such as gardening and cleaning. So this is important. Help with household chores that require physical activity, such as gardening and cleaning. Hazvinei kuti uri mukomana kana uri musikana, tese tunoita gardening, tese tunoita cleaning. Just get involved. Pamunotumwa kuita household chores, ngatiti amai vati vanoti vasikana ngavamuke, we are following our culture, vasikana ngavamuke runyanhiriri kana kuti mangwanani vachitsvaira ruvanzi. Andika, then vakomana vomukawo the same time vachinodiridza, because as we are going to learn from agriculture, tinofanirwa kudiridza either in the morning or in the evening, so that the water is not easily evaporated during the day. So we have girls and boys waking up, doing chores, gardening, cleaning the house, washing the car, and many other chores. That's very important. Encourage your family to engage in physical activities together, like playing games or going for walks. So playing games and going for walks are also physical activities to be done. If you do them together, this will strengthen the bond in the family. Like the father and the son watering the flowers in their garden. That strengthens the bond in the family. The mother and the daughter and the father and the son, the father and the daughter, working together in physical activities to stay healthy. Participate in cultural activities that promote physical activity, such as traditional dances like amabiza and mbakumba. Saka, you have to participate in cultural activities, our culture, our heritage, our history, our way of life. So cultural activities such as, for the Ndebele brothers and sisters, amabiza, and for the Shona, mbakumba. Very important dances which are cultural. So the reason why these dances were done, it was not solely for the love of music, but we had these dances because of the importance of being physically active. That's why our ancestors, our mothers and fathers were really strong people. It is because of that. But the last thing we should not be understated, kureva kuti hazvifanirwe kumhurwa zvatiri kutaura izvi, is sleep and rest. Very important. You have to sleep, you have to rest. So getting enough sleep each night to help your body and mind rest. So typically you should sleep for at least 8 hours every day. Ndosaka mama vachiti kana kuti daddy, endai munorara kuma 9 p.m. mozomutswa nguvai kuma 6 am. Mukaverenga pa muchaona kuti 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kuma 6 mematorara 8 hours dzenyu. Saka we should have, or you should sleep every day for at least 8 hours. So apa tiri kuti at least 8 hours, hatirevi kuti ukarara 12 hours kurara zuva rese unenge waita zvakanaka, kwete. Tiri kuti unofanira kurara for 8 hours and kusvika pa10 zvichienderana neyo age group, but magrade 6 andiri kutaura nawo 8 hours dzakakwana. So you have to sleep for 8 hours every day. Then you also have to take breaks, be it you are doing a physical activity. Kusakura hazviro kuti unoramba wakakotama kusvikira narini, vambopota uchisimuka. Taking breaks, you have to take breaks and rest when needed. Tinozviitirei? To avoid fatigue. Like that. So by following these healthy living habits, you maintain a healthy lifestyle and contribute to a happy and safe home environment. We have to be healthy. We have to be healthy.